In this video, we will show how to request a new blocks calculation from the Vortex platform. In order to do that, please log in with your credentials as usual and move to the new tab. In the middle of the three tabs that we have available on the platform, there will be an icon for the blocks product on the list of all available options here, and a menu will appear as usual on the left. Just select your location and there will be a polygon for you to adjust the area of interest that you are targeting. You can rotate the polygon, and then there are some other options that need to be fulfilled. Let's give the calculation a name to backtrack the calculation afterwards. Then let's assign a project folder to the calculation and also choose whether you are interested in calibrating the calculation or not with your own measurements. Let's move with the non-calibrated option right now. And there is also the option to choose a larger area in case you're interested in, especially for large areas, wind farms, offshore, etc. And once this is ready, you will be forced to choose between the custom 1 year or a long-term 1 year. In the case that you choose the long-term 1 year option, the system will automatically select the 1 year moving window that best fits the long-term distribution for this location. And in the case that you're interested in a specific period, just please enter the starting date, for example, 1st of March 2020. That will cover 1 year starting on this date. Okay, so then we go into the submit button. A summary will appear for you to make sure that everything is ready. And if you feel comfortable with this date, with the following details, just use the submit option and your calculation is already on our system working, and results will come in the coming few days.